25 home science experiments to do with kids while social distancing.
1. Make your own barometer. Have budding meteorologists at home? You will when you team up to make your own homemade barometer using things you already have around the house: a balloon, a straw, a rubber band, glue, tape, a jar or glass, a sewing needle, a pencil and a marker or pen. 2. Learn chemistry from your taste buds. A great way to get kids to eat fruit? Use it in an experiment. All you need for this one is a sliced orange, clementines or tangerines will also work, and baking soda. The mixture of the citric acid from the orange and the alkaline from the baking soda will create fizz in your kids' mouths. 3. Make your own Play-Doh. Chances are you have all the ingredients at home already, so let your kids make their own Play-Doh, then make whatever they want with it. 4. Baking soda and vinegar rainbow. Add some extra excitement to the traditional baking soda and vinegar with food coloring and a baking sheet. 5. Pepper, water and soap for surface tension. This simple experiment teaches about water tension, and can also be a metaphor for how soap repels germs. 6. Seeing sound. You read that correctly. This home science experiment teaches about how the vibrations from sound can make other objects move. Do note that if your child is noise sensitive, this may not be a good experiment for them. 7. Glowing bouncy egg. This experiment takes a bit of time, making it a good lesson in patience as well as science. 8. Elephant toothpaste. This cute foam experiment uses stuff you already have around the house, but please don't use this on an actual elephant. Don't say we didn't warn you. 9. DIY lava lamp. Your kids will get a kick out of making their own lava lamp from materials you already have in your kitchen. 10. Rainbow in a glass sweet deal. This experiment uses Skittles and tastes delicious. 11. Water and magnets. This experiment examines how different materials affect magnetism. 12. Psychedelic milk. What happens when you mix milk, food coloring and soap? 13. DIY rain gauge. Follow these simple instructions to make your own rain gauge out of stuff in your home. 14. Bean germination. Grow and sprout your own beans in a jar with a paper towel. 15. DIY terrarium. Make your own tiny plant world under glass. 16. Snow in the spring. Make your own fluffy snow using cornstarch and shaving foam, and find out why it works so well. 17. Storm in a glass. Create a mini rainstorm in a glass using shaving cream and water. You can change up the ratios to get different results. 18. Crystallization is sweet. Teach your kids about crystallization with this easy recipe to make rock candy in a glass. 19. Refraction of light. Show your kids the weird ways light bends using this easy experiment with coins and water. 20. Ecosystem in a bottle. You'll need to help and supervise your kids with this experiment, but it's worth it. You'll reuse plastic, reduce waste and make your own greenhouse. 21. Cloud in a bottle. Literally all you need for this air compression experiment is an empty water bottle. 22. Invisible ink. To teach kids about acids and bases, you can also teach them a spy trick, invisible ink. 23. DIY hovercraft. You'll want to help younger kids with this DIY hovercraft project because you need a hot glue gun, but it's worth it to teach them about air pressure. 24. Rising water experiment. Since this experiment requires a match and a lighter, you'll want to do it and show your kids, or supervise older kids closely. 25. Rice and friction. In a bottle. This experiment is a super simple lesson in friction.